Now, when we are buying cars, we have a system that tells us the statistics of how quickly a car is going to sell, how desirable it is, and it's got an overall rating. This model and this car is off the scale about how fast it's going to sell and how desirable it is. It's a D300, so it's a 300 horsepower HSE Dynamic Black. 2021, it's stunning. It's done just over 10,000 miles. Now, the HSE Black gives you what it says, so it's all black. Grille, badging. It's got 22-inch wheels, which are done in gloss black. It's got side steps, this car, privacy glass. The interior goes with the theme as well, high gloss interior as well. But on top of that, it's got a heated steering wheel, it's got a sliding sunroof, it's got ambient lighting, and it's priced to sell. It'll sell instantly. Our data tells us that. So it's going live. You've got the inserts, you've got the grille. If you want to get it secure, just ring me. 22-inch wheels, with it being a HSE Black, you can see they're all in lovely condition. You've then got thick side steps, privacy glass, and this car's a 21, done just over 10,000 miles, so it's got over a year's Land Rover warranty as well. Moving around the back, all the dynamic bumpers, front and rear, are all colour-coded in black. The badge in there as well. And then as we show you inside, this is what I'm talking about. So you've got Meridian speakers, memory seats, but the door cards, the gloss black. There you go, 10,567 miles. Full heated leather. You can see the illuminated ambient lighting, sliding sunroof. Ambient lighting you normally get on an autobiography, but it's been paid for as an option. And then we have heated steering wheel, multifunctional steering wheel, tilt and sliding sunroof, again very, very important. And then you've got all your other features. So we've got reversing camera, you've got Apple CarPlay, your Bluetooth, your multimedia, seats, you've got heated driver and passenger, and then you can see that beautiful gloss black trim. We've got a refrigerator in the centre as well, air suspension, and with the car being a HSE Dynamic, you've got all the different driving options. So you can see here, you've got Comfort, Eco, but then you've got Dynamic. It's a 300 horsepower, so it's the new engine, what they've put in the newest model. This is the engine, 300 brake horsepower. You can see now I've put it in Dynamic. You've got that illuminated red colour, and it's just a fantastic car, this. Really well priced. In the rear, you've got rear heated seats, lots of space, all your Isofix seats. The car's immaculate. Look at the condition of the leather throughout as well. And then you've got electric tailgate, great boot space, as you can see. Air suspension if you want to drop the car down. It just looks great, and it's made up because it's all black. It's got the 22s, it's got the roof, it's beautiful. It's going live on the website. If you want to reserve it, the number's on the bottom of the screen. You can call me direct. Thank you for watching.